Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Medico. Today's interesting topic is about the ganglia. So what is ganglia? Collection of neuronal cell bodies outside the CNS, that is the brainstem or the spinal cord. Outside this, if there is a collection of neuronal cell bodies, we call it as ganglion. So these ganglion will have control from the CNS, that is called as nuclei or the main switch. Collection of the neuronal cell body deep within the CNS is called as a nuclei. So the nuclei, for example, at the level of pons, it's a seventh cranial nerve which controls a ganglia called as submandibular ganglia. After relaying information to the submandibular ganglia, the postganglionic fibers from submandibular ganglia will end up in submandibular salivary gland. So this will be called as superior salivary nucleus. Whereas ninth cranial nerve, of course, ninth will be lower than 7. So this nucleus will be inferior salivary nucleus of the glossopharyngeal nerve. So this nucleus, again I am stressing, nucleus is inside the brainstem. It's controlling this ganglion which is next to your auricle or the ear. So this is the preganglionic fiber which controls otic ganglia. Otic refers to ear. The postganglionic fibers from the otic ganglia takes the help of auriculotemporal nerve to reach the destination, that is parotid gland. So this is the main thing about the ganglion and its supply. With respect to this is superior salivary nucleus of 7th cranial nerve controlling submandibular ganglia that supplies submandibular as well as sublingual. 9th cranial nerve will have inferior salivary nucleus which ends up supplying the otic ganglia and that controls the parotid salivary gland. Thank you for watching and learning from Logic Medico.